How to add Gmail signature. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Gmail, and here make sure you are logged in with your real Gmail account or the account which you want to make the signature of. After that, in the left upper corner you can see the hamburger option. Simply tap on that. Here you have to scroll down below and tap on the settings option. After that, you have to select the real Gmail account, and here you can see the various options. So among them you have to scroll down below and you'll be able to see the mobile signature option which is not set. So tap on that, and here you have to set the signature and tap on OK. So after doing this, your mobile signature of this email ID will be set. So by following this simple step, you can add Gmail signature. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.